Hello student, today we will discuss our next topic, gas law in state of matter. In gas law, first law is Boyle's law. Boyle's law applicable at constant temperature. It is defined as at constant temperature, pressure of the fixed amount of gas inversely proportional to the volume of gas. It is derived as P inversely proportional to 1 upon V in your screen, then form PV is equals to K at constant temperature. When pressure change P1 to P2, then volume change V1 to V2, and formula form P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. That's clear. And the law is Charles law. Charles law applicable at constant pressure. It means the relation between the temperature and the volume of gas. It is defined as at constant temperature, the volume of fixed mass of gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Their absolute temperature is 373.15 Kelvin. Like this, V directly proportional to T and form V upon T equals to K. K is constant. When volume change V1 to V2, then temperature change T1 to T2. And our formula form V1 upon T1 equals to V2 upon T2 at constant pressure. Third law is Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law applicable when the volume is constant and the relation between pressure and temperature. It can be defined as at constant volume, the pressure of a gas is directly proportional to the temperature. P directly proportional to temperature, P is equals to KT, K is constant. When the pressure change P1 to P2, then temperature change T1 to T2. And formula for P1 upon T1 equals to P2 upon T2 at constant volume. Our fourth law is Avogadro law. According to Avogadro, it is applicable when the temperature and pressure both are constant. Both are constant, it means the relation between the volume and number of moles of gas. That's clear. At constant temperature and pressure, the volume of gas is directly proportional to the amount of gas. Then, like V directly proportional to N, V equals to K, and K is constant. It is in numericals based upon the Boyle's law. A vessel of 12 ml capacity contain a certain amount of gas at 35 degrees Celsius and 1.2 bar pressure. The gas is transferred to the another vessel of volume 180 ml at 35 degrees Celsius. What would be its pressure? First of all, uh, you see this in this numerical, the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius and the other vehicle is also 35 degrees Celsius. It means temperature is constant and the relation between pressure and volume. These relation obtained in Boyle's law. Therefore, Boyle's law applicable to solve the numerical. We can solve the numerical by Boyle's law. Formula of Boyle's law. According to Boyle's law, P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. I put the figure in this formula and form give the answer 0.8 bar, right? You try to solve, and the numericals are based upon Charles law, Avogadro law, Gay-Lussac law and also Boyle's law, right? Our next video we will try to discuss ideal gas equations, right? Okay, thank you.